Hello friend, how are you? Okay, let us know today about the structure of Indian Evidence Act 1872. What is the structure of the Evidence Act? In the Evidence Act, there are three main part of the Evidence Act. Part 1, it is about relevancy of fact. Part 2, it is pertaining proof. And part 3, production of effect of evidence. Okay, so there are other part also in each part, and it is chapter wise, so we will know about that. Chapter 1, it is mentioned about preliminary. Chapter 1, preliminary, under section 1 to 4. Okay, in chapter 2, it is mentioned, in this chapter it is mentioned about relevancy of fact from under section 5 to section 55. And next chapter 3, it comes in part 2, chapter 3, fact which need not to be proved, section 55 to 58. Okay, chapter 4, oral evidence, section 59 to 60. Chapter 5, documentary evidence, section 61 to section 98. Chapter 6, exclusion of oral evidence by document, section 91 to 100. Okay, we come in next chapter, and this is part 3, and next chapter, burden of proof, section 101 to 114a. Chapter 8, estoppel, section 15 to 117. Chapter 9, it is about witnesses, section 118 to 134. Chapter 10, examination of witnesses. In this chapter it is mentioned what is the method to examine the witnesses, and in this chapter examination in chief, cross examination and re-examination is mentioned. It is in this chapter, it is mentioned from under section 135 to 166. And in chapter 11, improper admission and rejection of evidence, it is mentioned under section 167 of Indian Evidence Act 1872. Okay friends, bye.